An antique meat grinder. It's a large, number 32, made by Enterprise Manufacturing Company, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. The wheel itself is also marked number 32 with the serial number on the back. Please see the pictures. It's a 12-inch diameter wheel, quite large. I mean, here's a soda, 16-ounce soda bottle next to it in comparison. So it's about 16 inches long total. This main body piece is 10.5 inches. Again, check the pictures for measurements. The mouth is 7 inches this way, 6 inches this way. This side again is embossed Enterprise, tinned. Now, this is a darker iron here. It looks like it's possibly been painted or baked on. This is a belt-driven wheel. It does spin freely and rather nicely. Not sure the last time it was used, but it's been well taken care of. The prior owner cleaned it well and rubbed it down with some mineral oil. It's bolted on this large board. I would cut it on either side before shipping. Yeah, this is a number 32. The wheel just comes off. It's the whole thing comes apart. I'll go ahead and quickly take it apart here. That comes off. The wheel is fastened on by an easy removable screw. Bolt piece that comes right off, and the wheel lifts off. Again, it's in nice condition. Have you take a glance at this. It is marked number 32, the serial number 33566 on the back. It's nice and sturdy, probably 2 inches wide for the belt. So at this point the slides right out. It's a nice bit of steel, very heavy. That's about 10 inches long. Alright, so disassembled with one hand in about a minute. So there you go. It's a very cool piece up for auction. Make it yours. Thanks for looking.